finally got my dream car. It was very fine.
Hey guys, this is Allora speaking. I hope you like this new video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Bye.
Hi guys, so we're at Allora and we have to shoot a video and take some pictures too. Mainly the video is why I chose this place, because of the aesthetic, obviously, because it was renovated. So yeah, let's see. Alright guys, this is the first time I've been to the beach. I'm kidding, but like the last time I came was like 7 years old. But I'm gonna say we're taking pictures. We're going to Live Beauty. Actually, Smart Vibes is treating me to Smart Vibes is treating me to a pedicure. Yeah, so I'm on my way there. It's not far from here actually, so we're gonna go there right now. See you when we get there. So thoughtful.
Where does it go? Who owns it? You are okay with from other countries, it means misunderstanding. Day-to-day work.
We're on a coffee break. Yes, Auntie Caroline said we should eat watermelon. It's true. I've had watermelon in a while. What's your favorite? Says Caroline. Guys, Auntie Carol is taking care of me. Your auntie. You know you are their auntie.
We need Jesus. Okay, now wait up. It's time to get your heart together and stop playing. You know the truth, you know the world, you know we love you like unconditional. You know you die, you know we are that spiritual.
I was looking for coffee, but I can't find
you fall down, a lot of dishonor. The blood on your hands when you don't say nothing. If you love me, don't say
Coffee break is over, but I'm still eating.
Jesus. We only need Jesus. We only need Jesus.
Hi guys, I'm getting sleepy. It's like 1. Am I in frame? Okay. It's 1:14 and we have like 60 minutes till the next and hopefully final session for the day. But yeah, we're just walking around because finished. That's Caroline. Okay. Alright guys. But we're in Ghana. It's not too late. Add it to your knee. Okay, please. Anything from this point onward will be TMI. So bye. Well, that's a wrap, guys. Not really. We actually ran away first. We didn't run away. We still bro. We stayed till they closed. We've closed, guys. Don't misquote me. I didn't say we ran away. Okay. But yeah, it's almost 5 p.m. So tomorrow will be another day, another $1. Okay, bye guys. I don't think I'll vlog the rest of the day. So toodles. Girl is speaking pidgin. You're not spoiled. That you give to me. Shameless persistence. Why you give to me? Someone will change. No change. I mean, it's fine. You're not spoiled. Oh no. See, it worked very fine. The proof is in the papers. You're not spoiled. You see, it cleaned very well. The blood is flowing. Sir, no, but then I'm even saying sir is not him. I did not say somebody. Hey, what you go give me for free, right? What you go give me for free? Someone. What you go give me for free? Someone. Take and then you pay the person. Hey. I mean the person will pay you. So don't worry. See, I did go say the pigeon is appalling. Thank you. God bless you. Hey, Carol. My pigeon is the best, yeah? If they say speak pigeon for $1 million, this girl would have slipped through your fingers. Hi guys, how y'all doing? Getting ready to go for the day 2 of the tech conference. Let's go. Here, guys. Okay. Quick coffee break, but I'm going to the bathroom soon. You too. You're not in Ghana, right?
No, unfortunately.
Hi guys, say hi to Ifia. I just met her in the washroom randomly and now we are like best friends.
Yes.
So I'll see her when I come to New Jersey. Yes, she will. Shout out to you, Ifia. So, and she stays in Jersey, and that's where I go usually when I go to the US. So we're gonna meet up when I go this year. Yeah. Clack it. Okay, our coffee break is like probably ended by now because I came to the washroom and I was talking to Ifia for like 5 minutes. But then I'm going to grab a little thing for breakfast because I didn't eat anything. And then we're gonna continue. Outfit of the day. I want you guys to see it in the mirror. I saw this. No, I didn't steal it. My mom gave me this nice shirt, and I I stole this top from my sister, but I'm not giving it back. So yeah, I think I love this. My mom told me this color looks nice on me, so let me hurry up, guys.
Whatever it is happens. It's not going to happen with you. You be judged. Future with the river and shield. The river of God.
So why you bullying me? Hey. Okay. Yapon. We have clothes. It's my hair. I'm back from church, but so we are going to eat wachi at my family friend's house. And my uncle came for me, and I've seen the shock of my life. Let me show you guys. Are you guys seeing what's behind me? That's my dream car, guys. Okay, let's open it now. So we have to press this. Yeah. Okay. Guys, if you want any car in this whole Ghana, this is the person you should come to. Finally got my dream car. Kidding, guys, but one day let's go and eat wachi. This is red, guys. This is a metal. It's not a car. It's a metal box. Okay, guys, we are done eating, but just a backstory for those who don't understand. Like I was saying, my dream car is that car. Anyone who knows me knows it's. If you didn't know, then you probably don't know me as well as you think you do. But yeah, at time my head because it's hot. But yeah, so my uncle deals with cars. He's the one I showed you, and I told you guys that if you guys have any cars you want, he brings them from Dubai. So I'll leave his contact down below for you to reach out to him if you want any card.
You've got free content, libations without the content, you can repost that, and that shows that as a creator, you've got very engaged.
Hi everyone, so it is Tuesday and I don't really have much to do today. Well, it's a lot of work, but it's not a lot of different things. I have to spend the day finishing up, which I don't think I will finish because it's a lot of work, guys. Finishing about 100 tote bags. I have to sew 100 tote bags. I already started, but I had to pause because last week's 2-day conference, which you saw. So I'm going to work. I'm going to continue sewing. As you can see from my outfit, I'm not really dressed. Let me show you guys. Yeah, shirt is from Rouge, Ghana. Top was made by Target Solutions. Leggings by Amazon. That's pretty cool though. Hello, children. Good morning. Mama said good morning. So now waking up. Drag her to come.
And your heart's no different. Who you want, don't want you. And who you miss, don't miss you. You know, your tears just falling, you can't feel them.
The airport because the girl has a flight in a few hours. But yeah, I like it. Do you like my hair? Woohoo! Such cool. Say hi first. Hi. Thank you. Okay, guys. Peace. Let's go. Okay, let's go to the airport, guys.
The world's cold, I know. And your heart's no different. Who you want, don't want you. And who you miss, don't miss you. Your tears just falling, you can't
Guys, I'm leaving you. Ghana, bye.
We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus.
Not by myself. Bye. It's moving day. Currently like 10 p.m. Got here earlier, but later in the day, so like late afternoon. But I had to do one or two things. I just finished editing a video for a new partner company that I am starting to do content for, which will go up tomorrow. So by the time this video goes up, which should be Sunday 18th, I think, you guys would have seen that video. Yeah, basically. So if you haven't already gone to, hopefully by the time you're watching this video, the challenge is still up. But basically, you can win $100 by playing a five question game about Bible characters. I made it very simple because I want everybody to play Sha, and I want anyone to feel like, I don't need a Bible. I have to end the vlog here because I have a lot of other things to do. The night is not young anymore. It's 10 p.m. So thank you guys for watching. If you already haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. Sorry guys, I'm getting used to this, and you see more of this obviously this year. I'm trying my best to do at least one vlog a month. So help us God, 1 to 2 vlogs a month. So for January, this is what you get, and hopefully God will help us to be more consistent. February, you definitely get a vlog or 2. I'm aiming for 2 videos. Okay, let's say 2 videos. So make sure to like this video if you liked it. If you didn't, don't like it. Okay, actually like it. Okay, comment what do you want to see more of, and obviously subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Turn on post notifications as well, so that you are alerted every time I post in the month. And yeah, I love you all guys. See you guys in the next one.